The Australian Securities Exchange is on the hunt for a new chief executive. At the company's annual general meeting, current CEO Robert Elstone flagged plans to retire from the market operator from July next year. It comes at a crucial time amid talks of a merger and with competition starting next year. Simon Palin reports.
Robert Elstone has played a steady hand at the Australian Stock Exchange. He was a former boss of the Sydney Futures Exchange and took charge of the ASX after its merger with the futures market 4 years ago.
It's been a fascinating job. I continue to enjoy it, but I think it's time for me to move on and for the next year at ASX to be planned.
Well, I hope we get someone as good as him to follow up. It's been a period of great change the last 5 years, and he's done as well.
I thought Mr Elstone has been a good operator. He seems to have been in command of the business with great astuteness.
Robert Elstone's contract will be amended to give the ASX board the flexibility to extend it by 3 months or terminate it early.
We have agreed to pay Robert a lump sum of $750,000 in return for this flexibility.
His departure comes at a critical time. Regulators have taken control of real-time trading from the ASX, a move which paves the way for rival exchanges. The government has given in-principle support for a licence by international exchange company Chi-X. It already operates markets in Europe and the US. It's considered an alternative trading platform with lower overheads than traditional exchanges like the ASX.
We will be ready and well placed to compete as and when competition for trade execution services starts, as long as the playing field is level.
No matter how much ASX executives play down the threats, it is a tough time for the company. To fend off looming competition from any new entrants, the ASX is talking up the option of a merger. Yesterday it confirmed it's had discussions with a number of exchange groups, but at today's AGM the push by investors for more information proved fruitless.
If we have something to disclose, we will disclose it. But this board is a hard-working board, very aware that this company has opportunities.
Merger speculation has sent ASX shares around 10% higher over the last week, but the gains came to a halt yesterday when the company confirmed the merger talks but gave no names of any prospective parties. That led the market to believe that any merger might come later than anticipated. Shares in the Australian Stock Exchange ended the day more than 1% lower.